Hello everyone, I'm Vishnu Latish and today we are presenting a short video on what Aero MIT is and what we actually do. Aero MIT is the official aero modeling and drone research team of Manipal Academy of Higher Education. We design, fabricate and fly unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs for various competitions as well as for research purposes. Designing a UAV is a massive undertaking in itself, thus we have various subsystems which look after their specializations in the design process. Here at Aero MIT we have 5 subsystems: aerodynamics, structures and composites, advanced drone research, research and development and management. The aerodynamics team looks after the designing of the aircraft according to the problem statement. The structures team implements the structural design and our composites team decides what materials to use. Our advanced drone research team procures the electronics for the UAV and research and development helps out with the designing process. They also take up the most important work of writing research papers. Finally, it is the job of our management team to put all the subsystems together and take care of the team's requirements. This is a very brief introduction to Aero MIT, and what we do here far exceeds what we could show you through this video. Some of our simple pleasures include aircraft flying sessions, experimenting and building new ideas, discovering new possibilities, and making friendships that last a lifetime. Moreover, once you are a part of the Aero MIT family, the journey is going to be filled with lots of fun and experience. We are conducting recruitments for the first years in a few weeks. It will be an online process, so I request interested people to go visit our website and fill in the recruitment forms at www.aeromit.in. Now, members from each subsystem will explain to you a few important things about their subsystems and what they have learned during their time in the team.
I'm K. Sai Sharan of Aerodynamics Subsystem at Aero MIT. Aerodynamics at Aero MIT is a very diverse subsystem. The work we do ranges from decoding a problem statement to initializing a design to compiling a final technical design report. When the problem statement is released, an in-depth analysis of the problem statement is done to identify the constraints and determine the highest possible score. Then the airfoil geometry suitable for the mission is selected and the preliminary design is made in accordance with the rules and constraints of the problem statement. The aircraft is then modeled using CAD softwares and analyzed using computational tools which help in optimizing the design aerodynamically. Structural testing is done analytically, which is further validated by physical tests of material to understand the capability to bear flight loads. Stability characteristics of the aircraft are studied to ensure safety and controllability during flight. The whole process is then documented in the form of a technical design report. Apart from computational builds, we also work on experimental projects, like studying the flight characteristics and stability of Canard type of aircrafts, designing a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in collaboration with the ADR subsystem. As I said, aerodynamics is a diverse subsystem because the work we do is not limited to the applications of aerodynamics but also flight mechanics, aircraft design, research and optimization techniques. Members of this subsystem will get hands-on experience in the use of industry-grade softwares like SolidWorks, ANSYS and MATLAB. Use of these tools will help us visualize the concepts studied in the classroom and understanding the real-world applications, hence enhancing the learning process.
What makes a subsystem so unique? Any infrastructure on this planet takes in a lot of planning from designing to building. In the same way, a good structural understanding in the aerospace industry plays a vital role. Be it providing the right aerodynamic shape to ensure the comfort of our passengers traveling in the plane, or designs that ensure the minimization of drag. It is the people responsible for the structure of the aircraft who make it all possible. The structure subsystem at Aero MIT. Here at Aero MIT, we build our RC aircraft from scratch, and it is the structure subsystem that put in their blood, sweat and tears, sometimes literally, to make sure our planes soar through the skies. Process of making our aircrafts. We get down to work once we get the basic airfoil design and the aircraft platform from the aerodynamic subsystem. We use foam, Depron, balsa wood, Aeroply and a bunch of other materials to build our planes. We put in our best efforts every time and make sure each and every plane built is competition worthy. The structures and composites goes hand in hand, and it is with the help of composites our aircrafts get their desired strength. There are many tasks for you as a recruit to the structure subsystem. Members need to have a basic knowledge in the electronics that go into building the aircraft. Once you get recruited, you will be given basic training on CATIA, followed by your initial aircraft builds. Sometimes there are those random crashes due to structural, aerodynamic or electronic malfunction, or even pilot error, for which we'll train you how to fix those crashes and help them fly again. In conclusion, we at the structure subsystem of Aero MIT have had the most amazing experiences during our junior year, and we hope to see many such recruits this year, and so that we have a good time with y'all along with improving all of your skills.
I'm Veda and I'm going to be talking about composites. Now, what are composites? Composites are composed of two elements that come together to produce a completely different material which has properties different from the individual elements. Now, we see a lot of composites around us and we mostly use carbon fiber, fiberglass and wood in Aeromite. When and why are composites required? As we begin the conception design, our first task in hand is to determine the various parts of the aircraft which need to be strengthened in order to make the plane more impact resistant. Due to high strength to weight ratio, composites have a clear edge over other materials. At Aeromite, we use the different combinations of fabrics and the right combinations of materials to serve our purpose.
The role of ADR is that of innovation, with just a hint of a little bit of fun. We specialize in designing multi-rotor unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as UAVs. Now, the groundbreaking projects that we are currently working on include autonomous missions, object detection and image recognition, as well as software-in-the-loop or SITL simulations. All of the above processes are carried out on onboard embedded computers such as the NVIDIA Jetson. In ADR, our work revolves around two fundamental skill sets. Members of the subsystem are adept in the fields of electronics, which includes avionics, quadcopter dynamics, microcontrollers, as well as control theory, and artificial intelligence, which covers ROS programming, computer vision, machine learning, as well as deep learning. Some of our notable projects from the past season include an autonomous hexacopter, a fly-by-wire system that helped fly an in-house, indigenously built UAV, as well as a vertical takeoff and landing hybrid bicopter, capable of transitioning between fixed-wing mode and VTOL mode at the flip of a switch. We also take part in several drone racing competitions held domestically in India, and in the past year alone have won numerous accolades. At ADR, we will expect you to pick up essential skills such as basic soldering and a simple understanding of how battery-powered electronics work. Apart from this, we are looking for members with well-rounded soft skills as well as an inner need to be inquisitive. Our seniors taught us that the best way to learn something new is by diving headfirst into the subject matter with nothing holding you back. We will continue this long-standing tradition with you. We look forward to having you on our team.
If inquisitiveness is your second nature, and if the desire to create and innovate is your constant companion, then R&D is your subsystem. Here in R&D, you're not going to be boxed by the constraints of a particular field, and your options will be limited only by your imagination. Each member of the subsystem is allowed to pick their own area of research, which is based solely on their interests. And these choices are made available from the entire spectrum of domains at your disposal. Our work culminates in what you call a research paper, and some of our past undertakings have been mentioned in the presentation as well as on our website. In R&D, you will be trained to use the tools that are necessary for you to undertake and assist your research, as well as taking part in concept clarity sessions and gaining relevant knowledge. We also work in close proximity with all the other subsystems and assist them as and when required. But above all, being a part of R&D, you're gonna create something that you can call your own. You get to be a part of this unfathomably vast and vital community of researchers, and you get to make a change. So, see you guys in R&D.
Management is the vital subsystem that brings together the resources of the team and converts ideas to reality. Being a member of this subsystem brings out the extrovert in you and challenges you to ensure that the team morale is always at its best. When you take a look at Aeromite from the outside, the first thing you will notice is that we are not just a team or associates, we are a family. As a member of the management subsystem, one of the chief roles will be to ensure that there is a fluid functioning of the team. Handling tricky situations should always be your forte. Management also caters to the budgeting, financing, and everyday functioning of the team. This year, the management subsystem is also planning to take up projects in the areas of aerial photography and videography as well. Members in this subsystem will gain extensive experience in setting up business meetings, looking for high-profile sponsors, as well as planning and executing large-scale projects, sometimes worth lakhs of rupees. Being a team player and working together to get the best out of everyone is paramount. To be able to prioritize and meet deadlines in a transparent manner is critical in management.
In addition to the individual operations of each subsystem, the team also collectively involves itself in various events held throughout the season. Last year, we conducted Skyrush 2.0 held during TechCon. Aeromighty believes in giving back, and as a part of our philosophy, we held an aerodynamics workshop in collaboration with OnePlus Manipal. Frequent night flying sessions are held throughout the season so that we can test our experimental builds and also get some amazing aerial nighttime photography. We think that flying often and having fun is also very important for learning. You might think that all of the students of our team come from the aeronautical branch. However, this is not true. Please do not hesitate to join us just because you're from a branch that might not typically be associated with aeronautical engineering. Every year, we uphold our tradition of attending the SAE Aero Design East competition held in the US. This year, we were adjudged 4th overall in the world and also secured a first rank in the technical presentation. We also take part in various regional competitions. This year was a particularly successful year because we won prizes in every single competition that we took part in. To bring things to a close, Aeromighty, with all that it has to offer to you, is also an experience into a world of real workforce. It is a place where you can engage yourself in a community of like-minded people, learn to work under pressure and grow as an individual. The flying sessions, coming up with new and innovative ideas, practically implementing them, and the sense of camaraderie and friendship built will definitely leave an admirable impact on your journey. To be a part of our family, all you have to do is take part in our recruitment procedure. Please feel free to contact us for any further doubts or clarifications.